Alright, welcome back everyone. Now, you can actually go ahead and there's actually such things as two conditions. So we did talk a little bit about this in the past here, and at least when I mean in the past, I mean in this tutorial series. So one thing I'm going to do is show you the and it's two ampersands like that, and I'm going to go set as b is equal to 2. Okay, and close the brackets. So I'm just going to go ahead and put var b equal to 2. Pretty simple. And we're going to go ahead and say a is equal to 1. So if a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2, guess what? We go ahead and print paragraph changed. Now, you should note that you do need this bracket and this bracket here, as well as the brackets around the other two. Okay, so that's usually the best practice for this, and it's a good thing if you do that. Now, if I change, for example, a is equal to 2, what do you think is going to print? This one, because the else if is still a is equal to 2. It doesn't even care about b. The else if doesn't care about b at all. Okay, and lastly, if I change a to 3, then the else gets printed, because again, it goes through a. It says a is equal to 1. It is not equal to 1. So immediately gets thrown down to the else if. Is a equal to 2? It is not. Immediately it gets thrown down to the else. Now, one thing is that if the else if can contain more than one condition. So if a is equal to 2, and I'm just going to put and b is equal to 2. Okay, and two brackets right here, and on top of that, I'm just going to copy this right here. I'm going to put paste, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get rid of this here. Okay, and I'm going to say a is equal to 2. This is totally acceptable here. And I'm just going to say a is equal to 3 here, but basically this is totally acceptable. The else ifs can have as many conditions as you want. All right, and there can be a difference between the number of conditions. Usually it's usually there's the same amount of conditions, but there can be different amounts of conditions. Okay, I'm just going to go and delete that. I'll see you guys next time.